Chica here at the studio I co-own in Phoenix, Arizona, Mucho Mas Art Studio. The three of us make like 90% of the merchandise in here. So that can get a little trying sometimes, especially when you're traveling or doing all kinds of things like I am. So I thought, why not buy a whole bunch of jewelry and then sell it here? I bought the jewelry and I opened it all up, and I just couldn't bring myself to put it on the shelves. It needed to be like Crafty chica eyes. So what did I do? I like dismantled all of it, and I put it all back together using my own embellishments, and I thought it would be a fun video and idea to share with all of you.
This is something fun you could do to revive your costume jewelry collection, or maybe pick up some jewelry bags at the thrift store and repurpose them. You want to get a nice selection of jump rings, earring hooks, post. Make sure you have a set of jewelry pliers, a cutting tool, needle nose plier. And I actually went through and got some of my mixed media embellishments. These are little resin hearts that I had made and painted, and I just thought they would look really cute to add them to these earring pieces. Same thing with these. They are perfectly adorable earrings, but I just wanted to add my own touch to them. Give them a little hack, a little halfway handmade love. So I used my E6000 and I added different embellishments. Now this next pair, I liked how they looked as is, but I just added a little bling. So I added some milagros. I have my different jump rings, and I just simply matched the tone of the findings on the original jewelry pieces to add the milagro onto each earring. I absolutely loved how these three pairs turned out. So, time to get to work on these other sets. Couple things to keep in mind. You want to keep them lightweight so they're easy for people to wear, and I would change out the findings so that they're all brand new and polished looking, especially if you're going to be selling them.
There it is. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments